Okay, so here we have this device. As you can see, we're tired of so many screen locks and our devices getting locked. Now we're going to show you an alternative way to access your device. How are we going to do it? Well, first of all, let's watch this step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss any details and can fix and recover your device this way. As we can see, we changed our screen lock. We changed it, and after a while, we forgot that screen lock. How can we access our device without having to format it? We're not going to reset our device. This is an alternative we always have on our phone before. Making the following configurations before resetting our phone to recover it. Because, of course, when we forget that screen lock and we don't know our screen lock, it could be a PIN, a pattern, or a password. Well, it always happens at some point in our lives. That said, as we can see on our phone, what alternative do we have left? Our alternative to access our phone is that what we shouldn't have done is restart it. When you restart, this access would be lost. That's why, to access our device, we shouldn't have restarted our phone. If you didn't restart your phone, then you can access it directly by entering with your fingerprint. With your fingerprint, you'll be able to enter your device, and you can make a backup because when we lose our screen lock, we won't be able to change it. And when you restart your device, the fingerprint will be lost. That's why you can't restart your phone. So, if you still have fingerprint access, you'll be able to log in with it. You'll be able to log in with your fingerprint like this. Well, it's locked here. It wasn't recognized properly, but you'll be able to log in directly with your fingerprint. When you restart it, you lose that opportunity, giving us the chance to make a backup. Save all our information, and then restore it. That way, you'll be able to recover your device. Well, if you liked our video, our alternative, leave us a good comment, share our video, like it, and activate the notification bell.